Hey folks, Quill18 here, and welcome to the first of a series of quick tutorials on how to use Unity 3D. Unity 3D is a game creation toolkit. It incorporates a variety of things, including programming language type stuff, but also a full editor for your 3D scene, your 3D world, lots of physics, sound, everything you need to make up, well, frankly, a full AAA title, like really high-end 3D or even a 2D application. This tutorial is not meant to teach you the basics of programming. It's meant to teach you how to use Unity 3D. So if you don't know anything about programming whatsoever, this is not entirely going to be the ideal. And in which case, what you want to do is you want to look up sort of your basic beginner websites for how to program in either in JavaScript or C#, or even there's a great one in Python, which is a fantastic and easy to use programming language. That's kind of where you're going to want to start. This is for people who already know a little bit about programming but want to know how to implement that or how to use that inside of Unity. So when you first start the program, you are going to get the opportunity to start a new project, which we are going to call the Unity Tutorial Project, if I can select this correctly. Unity Tutorial Project. You also get the opportunity to import a variety of packages that will do a few things for you. I've got a few more in here than you will probably have on your first run of the software, just because I picked up a few things from the Unity store for free. We're going to ignore this for now. There's plenty of useful stuff in here that you can use. But we're going to skip it, and we're just going to look at creating, or what's involved in creating some of the very basic stuff. So we're going to create this new project, and then it should open a window, which I'll have to resize. If you'll give me just one moment to do that really quickly. Let's do something like this, and like that. So this is the basic Unity window. There are a few different layouts that you can quickly access from this pull-down menu. 2x3, the tall layout, the wide layout, and of course you can pull off these various panels. They're all tearaway panels pretty easily. So let me yeah, just put that back over there. Something like that. How did I have it? There we are. That's how I like it. I do fiddle around with these quite a bit. Also, if you've got two monitors, you can tear these off and have them on the second window, which is very useful for the console. Which you might refer to quite a bit as you're programming. It's very, very nice to have it visible as often as possible. One of the other things I like to do actually is sometimes I'll have the scene and game views split off, but we're going to look at that a little bit later. So we're going to get started really quickly. Again, the idea is hopefully you know the basics of programming. You just want to learn how to apply that to what's going on here. So this is the scene view that's showing you what's in the current 3D scene. Everything will happen in scenes, where you can think of scenes as levels. Your main menu will probably be a scene, and then your first level, second level, third level. The Unity workflow applies itself really well to games that have sort of pre-constructed levels, like you would find in most first-person shooters. But also it works perfectly fine for procedurally generated stuff. You're just not going to see much in the editor in that situation. So we do have one object in the scene by default. If we go over to the Hierarchy tab, which is only a main camera. But we're going to add a little bit more to that and just get an idea of the sort of things that are going to happen in this game. So really quickly, what we're going to do is we're going to go to your game object menu and create a plane.